Hello, welcome to Accommodation. I was hoping to show you around some of the communal spaces and some of the rooms that we've got available. If you'd like to follow me, here we have our beautiful receptionist. We always have someone on reception between 8 AM and 8 PM, and then through the night we have security as well. Around here we have our tea and coffee area, a very nice seating area, and a few games, plus a free printer. Around here we have our social study area, each come equipped with a plug socket each, plus around here we've got our solo working pods, great for individual work. As you can see, we've got many great facilities here, very similar to that of a library. Especially if you come round, you can see our amazing co-working pods, amazing for group work and any projects you might have. Here we're at the pantry. This is one of our many communal spaces. All of our communal spaces are available 24/7. You can use any of our communal spaces however you want to, and we do have cleaners for them every single day. Here we're at the gym with our state-of-the-art facilities such as cables, barbell, free weights, cycling machine, treadmills, cross trainers and rowing machines. Welcome to our main attraction, the half basketball court. Again, you can book this from reception. Who doesn't want to shoot some hoops? Here we have a bistro, very similar to a private dining room. This can be used for all events that you like, whether it be a birthday party, whether it be Chinese, whether it be little pre-drinks. It's always great, it's always good fun. Welcome to the Story Den. This is a student favourite, great for revising, reading a book, or if you just want a bit of chill time. This is a 9th floor terrace. As you can see the whole view of Sheffield. It looks amazing from here, both the day and in the night alike. One of our best features is being in the middle of both universities, University of Sheffield and Sheffield Hallam University. Both a 10-minute walk from here, you can actually see the buildings. This is our duets, karaoke room. This can be booked at any time from reception. This is our beautiful gaming den. Again, this can be booked from reception at any point. This is our communal area. We've got a pool table, 2 mahjong tables, and an arcade. This is the baby bistro, very similar to the bistro, great for any event that you'd like to host. Right here we've got our outdoor basketball court, gets plenty of use during the summertime. This is the 1st floor terrace. This comes with 2 football tables, a nice covered pod and plenty of seating area, great for when the weather's nice. The courtyard contains a nice barbecue grill, plenty of seating area, plenty of tables, and then 2 table tennis tables over there. Amazing again when the weather's very nice. This is our on-site laundry facilities. As you can see, plenty of washers and dryers and a completely free air hockey table.